Join us in Denver for the CHAMPS NWR PCA Fall Primary Care Conference. Decision 08, Building the Future of Community Health. Register today to provide your community with the best health care available. Learn best practices. Grow and collaborate with your colleagues from around the West as we look at today's issues and how to build the future of community health. This fall's conference features a special leadership education track. Sessions include Taking the Helm, Extraordinary Leadership for Extraordinary Times. Collaborative Leadership, Building Your Organizational Capacity from the Inside Out. Transformational Leadership in Turbulent Times, Optimizing the Medical Director-Executive Director relationship. Coaching Employees, Gaining Maximum Impact. Resolving Issues Without Conflict, Resolving Issues Respectfully. Learn best practices and new information that you can take back to your health clinic and use right away. Meet your colleagues. Conference speakers are in the trenches, and their experience is firsthand, relevant, and current. It's an important time for community health. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from some of the nation's top community health experts. Register by going to our websites or calling us today. See you in Denver.